Let's talk Urdu. Today we are going to learn numbers in Urdu. Do you know how to count in Urdu? Well, let's find out. Number 1 is called ek in Urdu. 1 is ek. Number 2 is called do. 2 is do. Number 3 is called teen. 3 is teen. Number 4 is called char. 4 is char. And the number 5 is called panch in Urdu. 5 is panch. Now you know how to count to 5 in Urdu. So let's recap. Ek, do, teen, char, panch. Let's do it one more time. Ek, do, teen, char, panch. How about a quick check? What is number 1 called in Urdu? Yes, 1 is ek. What is number 3 called in Urdu? Yes, 3 is teen. And what is number 5 called in Urdu? Yes, 5 is panch. Well done. Keep practicing your numbers in Urdu, and we will see you next time with some more Urdu words.